Now your certified storm-ready forecast from NBC 25.
Welcome back. Boy, another steamy day out there today. Perhaps just hot and dry, a better word, because the humidity for the most part is not as high as it could be when we're getting a heat wave like this. Here's a live look at downtown Saginaw via our NBC 25 Skycam. High clouds moving in. You can still see some peaks of blue there with the sun trying to filter its way through that high level cloudiness. Overall, we'll see a little more cloud cover tonight and especially tomorrow as our next frontal system comes in. That will bring a chance of rain and then cooler temperatures for the middle and end of the week. Right now, though, it's still upper 80s to around 90 across the area, 90 in Flint, 89 in Midland, 88 degrees in Mount Pleasant. Even in the Thumb, Bad Axe 84, the cool spot, not all that cool, Sandusky at 87. And it feels like 90 there, so there is a little bit of humidity starting to work its way in after a fairly dry last couple of days. The heat index is 91 in Flint, 1 degree above the actual temperature. So in your headlines, tonight looks muggier with that extra humidity. Tomorrow, a few storms as a cold front makes its way through and then turning cooler behind it for Thursday and Friday. Overnight, we're kind of in and out of the clouds. This is just after midnight, very early tomorrow morning. You can see we clear out, and then the clouds move back in during the overnight period. At 8 o'clock, we're still dry. Thunderstorms, though, on the other side of Lake Michigan ahead of that front will try to make their way through, but notice the rain very spotty and not very heavy. You'd want to look for the oranges and reds to see the heavier rain. Instead, we just have shades of green indicating that the showers and storms probably not all that significant. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow evening and still a threat of rain, but once again, very spotty. So rainfall totals, according to our model, generally around 1/10 of an inch or less. Some areas may see nothing. Forecast for tonight, partly cloudy skies. In Bay City, I think we'll stay around 67 because the water temperature is a little bit warmer in the 70s, so I think we'll be a couple degrees warmer in Bay City than elsewhere. Tomorrow's high 87 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds with a chance of thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon hours. Then that cold front crosses behind it on Thursday, less humid, a high of 85 after a more comfortable low of 62. 62 again on Thursday night. Friday's high 84. Dry most of the day on Friday, but Friday night into Saturday we'll have to watch for a few showers, drying out again Saturday afternoon. Weekend plans looking okay for Saturday, I would say, but Sunday we have a chance of afternoon storms. Highs low to mid 80s, lows back into the low 60s. So we're going to have to crank the AC tonight, but then we'll get a break from that as we head into next week. In fact, 70s as you just saw for highs by Tuesday.
Yeah, if you don't like the heat, and a lot of people do, but this looks like an ideal weekend with an occasional spotty shower or two, right?
Not a bad weekend at all.